Hi, in front of me I have GARMIN Vivoactive 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the date settings on this device. First, we need to open the menu, and to do it, simply press and hold the lower button. Once you open the menu, scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll all the way down and tap on the system. Here, scroll down, find the date option and tap on it. And right here we can change a couple things. First, we can change the date itself. To do it, simply tap on date and now enter the year, for example 2022, then tap the check mark. Now we need to enter the month, for example 6, then tap the check mark to confirm, and the current day or the day you want it to be, enter the day and then tap the check mark to confirm. As you can see, the date changed. We can also change the date format. So let's tap on date format and we can select between day/month or month/day. Select the option you like by tapping on it, and that's it. Once you're done, simply press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the date settings on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.